All right, Anthony, here we have your 154 scale school bus model that you asked me to do for you. Public, if I can talk, Atlanta Public Schools on the sides. Ta-da. Blacked out windows, black wheels. Really looks cool too. I love the blacked out windows with the wheels. It looks cool. As you can see, the passenger doors do open. Emergency door does not. And also blacked out the areas around the flashers as well that you asked me to do. With doing the windows like this, you get a 9-volt battery installed inside, so that will run the lighting for a long time versus the little 23A battery sometimes that you've seen on some of the models, you or my other viewers, on the bottom here. It doesn't last as long, especially if they're running the steady lights. Circuit board operates the flasher, so you turn that on. A lot of times you'll see the headlights kind of start dimming a little bit as each time the lights flash, as the battery becomes depleted. Big word. Lighting, the controls for the lighting are on the bottom. 3 switches here. Right in the center be your headlights, taillights, and rooftop strobe. Flashing reds over on the passenger side, and the yellows on the driver's side. 3 buttons. I don't know if you can, there we go. You can see them now. Ta-da! Let's kick the lights on. So your rooftop. Again, your headlights. You use the warm white headlights. Tail lights. It's funny. I don't know how many of these buses I built, and I never paid any attention to it because they actually have the turn signals and brake lights backwards on these. So like the outsides of these are painted red and the insides are painted orange for the fake lights. And I always put the tail or brake lights on the outside edges, and someone finally said, hey, the brake lights are on the inside. So anyway, I think I probably built 10 or 12 of these before I ever was told that. Never caught it. And of course we know the turn signals are on the outside edges of the school bus. So again, the rooftop strobe, and you can see all the lighting there. Let's just turn this one off for poops and giggles. We'll hit the flashing yellows. Again, these are true alternating lights controlled by a circuit board to give it a nice wig-wag effect. Of course, the rear's same thing. Turn those off, and we'll hit the reds. Again, true alternating. Of course, you can run the steadies with this, with the yellows or the reds, or for that matter, all 4s. And you'll see there's different rate between the two. There's 2 different circuit boards for the reds and yellows. That's why they look kind of weird right there. Just had a bus crash. So anyway, there you have it. Appreciate the order. Sorry it took an extra week because I've been doing a lot of side work along with this side job. Been doing some more side work, so taking a little bit longer to get some of the other stuff done. But as they say, you got to make hay while the sun shines. When the sun's shining, I'm making hay. Appreciate it, and I'll get this. Pretty sure everything's paid up. I'll get this shipped out to you tomorrow. It'll be priority mail. I should have it. I would think in 2 to 3 days, priority mail says anyway. So anyway, it'll ship out tomorrow, brother. Appreciate it. Thank you very much.